Well, we're getting in breaking inputs. The first reaction now that's coming from the Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis on the Supreme Court order with respect to operations of dance bars in Mumbai. He's called it a mixed order. He says that many of our government's provisions have been upheld. We will now need to go through the order in detail for further analysis. We have with us our correspondent Kajal getting us those inputs here. Kajal, this is how the Chief Minister and the government of Maharashtra is viewing this order now that's coming from the Supreme Court, that it has been a balancing act. While several of their suggestions have been taken into account, others have been shot down by the Supreme Court.
Yes, in fact, they seem to think that it is, they cannot call it an overall good or bad order, but it is a mixed order for them because of all the provisions that they had wanted incorporated, some of them have already been taken into account by the Supreme Court. Only a few of them have been struck down. So the Maharashtra government overall sees this in a positive light. But at the same time, if there are any reasons that they feel they need to go to a higher authority or file a review petition or appeal in the Supreme Court again, that decision will only be taken after they read through the fine print of the judgment. This is what the government has maintained so far.
That's right. But Kajal, does this mean that the guidelines that were put forth by the government that existed for the past few years were extremely stringent, were in fact being unfair to the sectors where the dance bars were giving employment to?
That was what the Dance Bar Association and also the girls who were employed there, their association also said. And it seems that partially at least the Supreme Court has agreed with those grievances and has set aside a lot of the specifications which were deemed unfair by the Restaurateurs Association. And but all sides involved right now want to go through the final order before they decide whether they need to go for a review petition or file some other sort of relief in the Supreme Court.
All right. Kajal Iyer, many thanks for getting us those details.